I'm Brandon Raymond. I'm a student at Northwest State Community College. I've started taking the CAM software and learning 3D design. It's been beneficial in my line of work. I work here at Raymond's to engage and designing and building fixtures. So it's just adding on to the knowledge and helping us with our job. The fact that you can kind of design your own, I've always been one to come up with something on my own, and when you make a design and see it work, and it gives you a sense of relief that, hey, I built that from scratch. And so MTS is a big saver to me, and I think it's beneficial for a lot of companies to run too, because what it does is it takes your program that you would put in a normal CNC machine and allows you to see that program run in 3D. And if you make an error or crash the machine, obviously on a 3D model it doesn't hurt anything. Whereas if you would have ran that program in a real machine, you could have broke tooling, broke the table, definitely had a lot more cost problems. So to be able to see it on the computer running in a 3D mode, you know, hey, now my program's safe to move to that machine. So that is a big saver, and a safety, to me is a lot better too. So once I started seeing that and using that, I thought, man, this is great, because everybody makes mistakes. You can think you can be the best programmer, but even the best ones still make mistakes. So having that simulation run will clean up all your mistakes, and you'll see what happens. The technology that's behind it to detect the part and be able to form around the part just kind of amazed me, because you think back when Tool and Die started, you were up drawing from a piece of paper and scratch, and then you would manually move the machine and watch the numbers, and you could record the numbers as you did that. But afterwards, you were seeing the technology be able to just pick it up automatically is just amazing. Take it here to where I work at Raymond's Tool. We're going to use it to help design gauges, and I think it'll be good in the field. And that's, there's a lot of manufacturing across the board that this would work for. It's actually pretty easier to learn. Being at Northwest State, I did a little bit of Mastercam training as well, and I think this program and software is a lot easier than the Mastercam software. It's user friendly, and that's to me what's important, is because a lot of people aren't going to have the skill that walk into this, because that's obviously why they're getting training, is they need to know how to do it. And that's a very user-friendly software to try to learn. Yes, I do want to thank JobsOhio and Regional Growth Partnership. They've been supporting the software and the training throughout the software. So that is a big help, because without the funding, then none of this would have happened.